Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and on this channel we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. Today I am showing you just a really classic recipe. We're making my mom's award-winning meatloaf. Probably the best part about my mom's meatloaf is it's actually essentially a giant meatball, which is what makes it so good. So we're going to be using about 1.5 pounds of, at least what here in New Jersey is called meatloaf mix. So it's basically a third ground beef, a third ground pork, and a third ground veal. If you can't find the mix, all beef is fine. If you want to just buy 1 pound of pork and 1 pound of ground beef and do half and half of that, that'll work out well too. But so you have just about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and we are going to season that with some salt and pepper. And we're gonna add in, I have 2 cups, so again, I'm gonna share mom's meatball recipe as well. But this is stuffing mix, and the critical element here is that it's Pepperidge Farm stuffing in the blue package. This is how I was raised, folks. But it's about 2 cups of the stuffing, moistened with a little bit of warm water, and we just kind of let that hang out for a little bit. So we're gonna get all of that in there. About 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 whole egg, and about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley as well. And now, as we do, same thing again, very similar to the meatballs, kind of that claw hand, and we're just gonna go in and start mixing everything together. Once you have your mixture all even and together, we have a Pyrex dish here. It's gonna be about a 7 by 11 one. Just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And just so you all know, Mom is here to supervise, but she didn't want to be on camera today. So we're just gonna shape this, right? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm being yelled instructions from the background. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm also told it's very important that we put lines in this. We're gonna put the lines. Okay, so we're just gonna take a knife, and we're gonna kind of do a little crosshatch pattern here on top. Okay, this is gonna go in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna add in a little Marsala wine. After about 30 minutes, we're going to pour on some Marsala wine, sweet Marsala wine. In our house, the more of this, the better. So, but about 1 cup is what we're looking for here. Again, Mom is supervising from behind the camera, so she's gonna let me know when. Keep going? That's good? Okay. This is gonna go back in at 350 degrees for another 15 minutes just to finish cooking through. Let your meatloaf rest for about 5 minutes before slicing and serving alongside a salad or some fresh vegetables, a little bit of mashed potatoes. Of course, this is just one of those really classic fall meals. I hope you guys enjoy this one. As always, the recipe is available at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. That is it for this week in the Cucina. I will see you guys next week. Buon appetito.